Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic 12 characteristics of creative people. Number 1. Curious. Creative people enjoy learning new things. So, during free times, they are reading books or watching videos about topics they find interesting. They often find it exciting or satisfying to take on the task of understanding concepts with which they do not already have familiarity. Creative people may seek opportunities to learn new skills or personal reasons or to perform better. Number 2. Playful. Creative people are willing to play with various ideas until they find the right one. The sense of playfulness means that they have a fun with this process rather than taking it too seriously. Sometimes the best ideas can develop through accidents or unintentionally. Number 3. Open-minded. An open-minded person is willing to hear and try new ideas when collaborating with others. Creative people want to hear all the possibilities and explore them further. Due to their open-mindedness, they do not judge other ideas or perspectives. Instead, they take the time to listen to others so they can better understand them. Number 4. Flexible. Similar to open mindedness, creative people often have a strong sense of flexibility. This trend supports their willingness to try new ideas and experiences. People with a strong sense of flexibility also feels more comfortable adapting to the change. Number 5. Sensitive. Due to their open nature, creative people also tend to sensitive. This sensitivity can help them in many areas of life, both personally and professionally. Sensitive people tend to appear more approachable to others and willing to listen to their thoughts or feelings. Through caring about how others feel, they often have an easier time building a strong and trusting relationship. Number 6. Independent. Working independently allow creative people to embrace their personal freedom. They can make their own decisions on how to do things without instructions or demands from others. Often this independent nature also means creative people feel comfortable taking on challenges themselves. With their freedoms, they can take as long as they need to understand the task and how to complete it. They may even see these challenges as an opportunities to grow professionally and develop their skills. While creative individuals enjoy collaborating with others, they often also work on the task alone. Number 7. Risk taking. Creative people are willing to take on a risk associated with the trying new ideas. They do not know if a concept is a bad one until it is tested or examined. So, all ideas pose the potential for solutions. Even if one fails, it can serve as a lesson on how to do better in the future. To them, not taking risk hinders innovation become it requires staying within one's comfort zone. Number 8. Intuitive. And intuitive persons make decisions based on the feelings. Creative people may tap into these abilities more than these other people. They trust in themselves to follow their heart rather than feeling restricted by more logical demands. Intuition may not always lead to the perfect solution, but it is helpful tools when brainstorming and generating ideas. Some individuals combine their intuitions with logical reasoning. Number 9. Thorough. Creative people often put a lot of thoughts and care into their work. They look at an issue from all the possible angles as they seek solutions. Then they test all the possible solutions until they find one the best meets their needs. At times, this may mean that they pay attention to detail that seems minor to others. Number 10. Ambitious. Creative people often have an awareness on how much effort goes into their work. They understand that the perfect solution does not always come easily, so they must put in the work towards achieving it. When creative people have a passion for something, they will visualize their goals and combine themselves to attain them. These goals can vary, whether they include completing a task or practicing an activities until they become skilled at it. Despite their flexibilities and openness in other areas, this awareness sometimes requires them to take a more disciplined approach. Number 11. Objective. Creative people often feel passionate about what they do, but they also understand the need to remain objective. While they strive to create the best work possible, they realize they cannot reach that goal right away. It often takes continued practice and editing. Number 12. Energetic. People may often be energetic. This does not mean they appear hyperactive, but they put a lot of energy into their work. They often feel passionate about tasks and how their enthusiasm with performing them. When creative people put their full energy into something, it can lead them to focus on it for hours until they complete it. However, they always bring their passion, so the work does not necessarily feel like work. Instead, they may gain enjoyment or satisfaction from their experiences. This trend creates a benefit for team members as the creative person's high energy can often transfer to their colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.